Hello class, welcome back to music class. Today we are going to be doing more rhythms. So I want to remind you that the heartbeat is on your lap. It's always steady, slow and steady. So ta is when you have one sound in a heartbeat, and TT is when you have two shorter sounds in a heartbeat. So ta and TT are rhythms, and the hearts represent the heartbeat of the music. So on the count of 3, I want you to clap and say ta. 1, 2, 3. Ta. So just one clap. And then on the count of 3, we're going to clap and say TT. 1, 2, 3. TT. So TT is two short sounds in a heartbeat, and ta is one slightly longer sound in a heartbeat. So what we're going to do next is practice clapping ta and TT inside these heartbeats. So here is a simple ta and TT rhythm to help us understand the difference between ta and TT rhythms. So I have all of my heartbeats in the song written on the board, and in the top row we have all tas, in the middle row we have all TTs, and then on the bottom row we have ta and TT and then ta and TT. So let me show you first how the rhythm will go. Ta, 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 ta. T, 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 T. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T. Now I want you to try, and I will point to each heartbeat as you clap the rhythm. So on the count of 4, we will clap and say the rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. T, 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 T. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T. Very good. Now I'm going to change the rhythms a little bit, and then I want you to clap those new rhythms. All right, so I've changed the rhythms just a little bit. So here is how the rhythm will go now. Ta, ta, T, T, ta. T, 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 ta, ta. T, T, ta, T, T, ta. Now I'm going to point to each of the hearts, and I want you to clap the rhythm that you see in the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, T, T, ta. T, 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 ta, ta. T, T, ta, T, T, ta. Now we're gonna do just one more until I show you guys something new. All right, for this last rhythm, students, I would like you to clap and say the rhythm, and I'm not going to do it for you first, but I will point to the hearts while you do it. On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta, ta. Okay, this time I'm going to do it a little bit slower for those of you who maybe need to slow down a little bit. So on the count of 4, we're going to start slower this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta, ta. Good. And so now, for some people who want to go a little bit faster, we will try it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, ta, T, 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 ta, T, 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 ta, T, 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 ta, ta. And don't worry if you can't do it that fast yet. That was just a challenge for some of the older students that maybe learned this last year. So now we're going to try something new. Okay, so we're going to pat the beat. Well, some of you learn a new song. Some of you might know this song from in the music classes in the past. So this song goes like this. Bow, wow, wow, whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So I will sing and then you sing after me so we can learn the song together. Bow, wow, wow, bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Bow, wow, wow. So let's try that song together. Everyone patting the beat. Ready, and bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Let's try that 2 more times just so we can practice memorizing the song so we can go on to the next step. So 2 more times on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. 1 more time. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So now that you know the song pretty well, I want you to listen to me sing and pat the beat and see if there are tas and TTs in the song, and see if you can hear and see when the tas and the TTs happen in the song. So on the count of 4, I will start, and see if you can use your listening ears to hear where there will be tas and TTs in the song. So let's first think about tas. Where would the tas be? So I'll start on the count of 4, and you're gonna be a detective and find where the tas are in the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Now I'm going to sing again, and you're going to put your detective ears on and look for where there might be TTs in the song. So listen for where there might be TTs on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So I'll give you kind of a hint. So when you hear longer sounds, those are usually tas. And when you hear shorter sounds, those are TTs. So let's clap and sing the song together on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So we're clapping the rhythm. So let's clap the rhythm together one more time on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. And I want you to think about when you clap slow and when you clap more quickly, because that's going to give you some hints of where there's ta and tt. And I have a little surprise for you in this song. There's actually something new in this song, and see if you can recognize the new thing. So there's ta and tt, and then there's something else. So I want you guys to clap the rhythm. We're gonna do something hard now. So you're going to clap the rhythm, but I'm going to pat the beat. So just like you did with me just now, you're going to clap the rhythm on your own, and I'm going to keep a steady beat. So let's try that on the count of 4. I'm doing the beat, you're doing the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Good job, you guys. So I'm gonna clap it with you one more time on the count of 4. And I'm going to, I want you guys to look for where maybe that new thing happens. See if you can see my hands doing something else other than clapping, and see if maybe that's where the new thing is. So on the count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. All right, see if you know what that new thing might be. So did you find where the longer sounds and the shorter sounds were? So the tas and the tts? Let's think about the first part of the song, which is bow, wow, wow. Do you think the bow, wow, wows are tas or are they tts? So we clap bow, wow, wow. They're just one sound on the heartbeat. So bow, wow, wow will be tas. So we're gonna look at the hearts here for the song behind me in a moment, and we will practice writing those in the hearts. So here's our bow, wow, wow heartbeats. So we were clapping bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So I'm going to use my handy pointer, and while I point to the heartbeats, I want you to clap the rhythm of bow, wow, wow on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. So we decided up here at our bow, wow, wows, we're going to be ta, ta, ta. Bow, wow, wow. There's 3 of those. Whose dog art thou? Let's think about that. So clap and say the whose dog art thou part on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whose dog art thou? Do you think maybe there's some heartbeats that don't have any sound in them? Let's sing and clap the rhythm of Whose dog art thou again. Whose dog art thou? Maybe we should clap and sing the first 2 lines again. On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? It looks like there's some parts that don't have any sound in them in the song. They're just a beat with no singing in it. So what might go in those hearts? We have something in rhythm called a rest, and it looks like this. It's kind of like a little squiggly line. So you guys might have fun drawing that, and then the next time you draw your own rhythm. Whose dog art thou? Or, oops, bow, wow, wow, rest. Whose dog art thou? So we have a ta here. Whose dog art is a TT. Thou, ta, and then another rest. Let's think about what little Tommy Tucker's dog. Are there a lot of fast sounds in this one or a lot of slow sounds? Let's think about that. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. And if there's faster sounds, would it be ta or TT? Let's think about which kind of rhythms go in these hearts. Clap the little Tommy Tucker's dog while I point to the heartbeats again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. If you thought that they were TTs, you are right. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Oh, let's clap and say dog. 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 Little Tommy Tucker's dog. How many sounds is dog? If you think it's 1, you're right, and that makes it a ta. And then the bottom one is bow, wow, wow. So that makes it the same as our top line. So it's ta, ta, ta with a rest. So how we clap a rhythm with rest in it, for the rest part, we go like this with our hands. So let's clap all of the Bow Wow Wow song together on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow wow wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow wow wow. Now I want you to clap and say the rhythm. So we're not going to sing the song this time. We're only going to clap and say what we see in the hearts. So that will sound like this, and I'll show you on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. So now I'm just going to point to the hearts, and you guys are going to clap the rhythm on your own. So on the count of 3, or on the count of 4. We're always going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, T, ta. T, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. And remember, when we have a rest, we don't clap, we go like this. So one more time, just to make sure we remember on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. Nice work, you guys. So I have some things to help you if you're having a little bit of trouble remembering what rhythm is and what the difference is between rhythm and beat. I have some videos for you to watch that hopefully will help you to understand a little bit better, and they're really fun videos, so I hope that you will watch them. And also, there will be a little game for those of you who feel like they are ready to learn that new thing, the rest. So there's a game called Trip to the Zoo that I'm going to show you how to play. So here's our Trip to the Zoo game in Google Slides that's attached to your assignment. We are so excited about our day at the zoo. Be careful though, if you don't identify the pattern correctly, we won't get to see the animal. So you're going to look here at the 3 different animals, and you're going to click right here to listen. So we're going to think about which pattern did we hear? Did we hear 4 taws? Did we hear 3 taws and a rest? Or did we hear ta, ti, ti, ta, rest? So let's think about that again. I just heard 3 sounds that were kind of long, so I'm going to say it was this lion pattern. That's correct. Click the lion to try another pattern. So you're just going to click to go to a new slide. And for every time, you're going to click right over here so you can listen and then decide which one fits best.